So hello everyone and welcome to Midnight Market Diaries and let's start with our analysis without any delay. So today we got a gap up. We retraced a little bit and then we closed above the opening price. And you can see in the intraday charts the levels which we marked, the price hovered around that only. It neither went too much up and neither went too much down. So uh, we will talk about the global markets ahead, but I am thinking that if this low breaks, then you can have the target of these lows of this bar. And uh, I don't know, I just want this level to be cleared because some bears might be sitting over here, so they should be cleared before actually going down in price for Indian markets. So this level needs to get cleared so that we can go below these lows. That will be the perfect price action for a bearish market. Now, if we go to the 75 minutes chart, same, this level worked nicely because was the 50% area of this gap that we faced, and also it was the least accepted area in the previous upward movement. So now I think we should remove these levels because there is no use of this for now. Its purpose has been solved. So now we will just look for these highs to get taken out, maybe for a shorter duration of time, and then we can plan for fresh shorts. And for Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty April futures, okay, it also did the same thing that we knew, and around 50% it has retraced, but looking at the global markets, I think it will again come down. We marked any intraday levels? No. Okay, these were the earlier ones. These are not significant levels, but yeah, this similarly like in Nifty, in Bank Nifty, we have this level. I want these levels to be taken out first so that the weak bears can be taken out from the market, and then we can have a nice movement downside. I think this should be the target. If we break below these lows, then you can target for this time, this levels in Bank Nifty, and rest I don't think so. We have anything else to analyze. It will be a short analysis for Indian markets. कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा. Hmm, US markets are tanking like anything. Because I think 104% of tariffs will be applied on China from now on. So here also our levels worked really nice. Like this was the range which we decided to sell into. It just took a little bit out of this to clear the wick which was presented over here in this pin bar. So we cleared this wick a little bit, and then we gave a nice downward movement. If you will see, then this indicator has also shown a nice thing that after the breakout that it could be a potential one to a fail breakout. So we failed nicely. So now let us look at Dow Jones. It's the same behavior, clearing the wick here and then going down. Then we have the Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq interestingly didn't clear this wick. Uh, so I think the strongest one from now on will be Nasdaq because without clearing this wick, it is trying to come down. So I think it would be the strongest one from now on. I don't know the past of Nasdaq. Like it has been the most weakest of these three indices of US stock market, but I think for now, from now on, it could be the stronger one. So keep an eye on Nasdaq. Uh, then let's go to our favorite Brent crude. Okay, I don't know where it will stop now. It's just going down without leaving anything. as we discussed earlier that this was a sign of weakness. Uh, but I thought that at least this wick will be covered by 50%, but it was so much into weakness that it just went down over here. So I don't know what are the levels for Brent for now. Let me check the weekly charts. Okay. Hmm. Some nice weakness over here that we can see. Uh, over here. Okay. Maybe in this region, if you get crude oil, then you can. Oh, it's 25. Then I don't know what will happen with economies. 59 looks like a potential target for bears. I'm not saying it's a support, I'm saying it's a target for bears. And this can also be a target for the bears. Uh, Mark my words, I'm not saying it's a support, I'm just saying it's a potential target for the bears. Not looking like a support for Brent crude. Uh, I don't want to say much more about crude because if it's like going down, then uh, there's no point discussing it because if you are not a random trader, then you can't sell at these levels. You at least want some kind of retracement to go short again. So it's no point discussing more about it. Let's see gold. Okay. Hmm. Now it's starting to show some kind of strength, but maybe we should wait a little bit more. This bar is actually a strength bar. That's why I'm getting a green symbol over here, but we need a confirmation of it in the lower time frames, like in 30 minutes too, if we get some strength signals. Uh, this was a lower volume, then maybe after breaking this low, we can see some strength. Mm. No, I think we can go further down in gold, but I'm not seeing any long-term trend change or something like strong bearishness. I'm not seeing in gold. It could be a little bit retracement. I think max it could be like here or here. So just don't short gold and keep an eye on it. If it gives any bullish setup, then you can go long. It's a perfect candidate for going long, but not now. The time has yet not come for gold. Let's see. Copper. This is our favorite one. Aha. Okay. We are approaching for $4 mark now. I think this target is like I think I gave the first LinkedIn post of long in copper somewhere around here or here. I don't know which swing low I targeted to go long in copper. It took so many days, even if I assume that this was the place. It took so many days, but in coming down, it's like just a week or two. We are near to our targets. So yeah, 4 level will be hit. After that. After that, I will be like clueless, like where to target. For copper, I think we can also have 3.6 levels, or these are no major supports or something. We can have some support over here, these levels, but these levels don't look like a strong support. These are the levels which are the targets of bears, not supports. Support can be found somewhere here at 3.5. It's also a psychological level, so I think it will hold for some time over here. Then we have to study the price action over this place, and then we can decide whether to go long or wait for some retracement and short it further. So that's what copper brings for us. Let's see dollar index too. Okay, so this gap region which we mentioned, and it went up till there, and we saw a red mark over here, so it's a kind of potential weakness. Let's see the 30 minutes chart. Okay, we also got some back-to-back bearish symbols over here. So I don't know. Maybe we can go further up on this side and then we can go down because the downward movement is not that much convincing to me. Uh, because if smart money operates, then after taking position, it gives a huge distance between its position and the new retailers, which will see the weakness and will take new position. There will be a huge price gap between them, so that the operator or the smart money will always be at advantage from retail traders. So I am not seeing any quick momentum like we saw over here. Like wait, yeah. So here, if the operator took position, then you can see that how quick it just dropped it down, so that the positions here it took uh, at these prices, retailers couldn't get them over here, so that there's always a price gap or price advantage between the operator and the retailer. So I think here also we will again see some uptrend, upward retracement or something, or it should go down like really fast, so that we really get the bearish strength in action. So either it can go too much fast, then I'm sure that it's going to get down. But if it's not going down too much, then it will again test this level. So that's it for dollar index. Now let us see at our favorite Bitcoin. Okay, so we are going down, and there's no doubt about it that we will go till this week two, and we will clear it out. Uh, Now let us see at 4 hour chart. Here we got a very nice setup for Bitcoin shorting, which I also marked. I hope that whoever saw that video of ours, market analysis of around 2nd of April or 1st of April, would have benefited if they have taken some shots over here. For now, okay, the bearishness is there, and maybe we can see these lows too on hourly. Hmm. This huge volume, no? It's actually a movement by smart money to trigger the stop losses. So we will mark the close of it. For fresh shorts, we will plan for it. And actually, it went to our levels, which we marked over here. Mm. And now our levels will be these ones. What is this? Which is coming over here? Okay, now we can delete this. It's of no use for now. Now just remember this level. We can retrace till here and then we can have some short. Uh, I think rest nothing is there to be discussed for Bitcoin. If we go to Ethereum for now, okay, some serious kind of weakness is over here. Uh, as we discussed that this low should get tested, which is 1369 level, because many stop losses or liquidity must be here. Uh, and this will also get taken out because it's smooth bottom. Maybe some support we can find in this wick region we have. Maybe. I'm not sure about Ethereum. And I also suggest you guys to be careful in Ethereum because it can be very problematic for you if it goes below this. Because after that, I'm not seeing any support. Just the targets for beer. Uh, Daily looks weak. Uh, how many hours we have left? 5:30. So around 3 to 4 hours left more for the daily bar to close. Now for the bulls. a last hope of retracement could be we have this volume not increased too much and we close somewhere near here only, not too much down, not too much up. Then maybe we can see some a little retracement. I'm not saying that some magical movement will happen and we will go somewhere here. No, maybe we can have some retracement to do fresh shots. Maybe. Because in Ethereum, I'm not seeing too much strength. Let's see at hourly charts. Hmm. Okay. So now our new levels will be this close. You know why I'm taking this and this level? The simple reason is that wick contains trapped buyers. So trapped buyers mean when the price will hit their price range again, they will try to exit their long position, uh, which they would have taken by seeing a nice green bar over here, but then it closed down here. So this is the region for the trapped buyers. And now when price will approach again here, then we can see a nice shorting opportunity over here. So we will wait for price to come in this region. Then you can refine it more by coming to 15 minutes chart. Okay. Hmm. If you will refine it, then it will come somewhere near here because this red bar is also having too much volume. So its wick is containing the trapped buyers. So for trapped buyers, you can mark this region to get it refined much more. So if you don't want to be in front of the charts, then you can mark the half of this range and already place your orders over here. So you can sleep quietly and have some stop loss above this region. Um, that's how you can trade without even looking at charts too much. So I think that's it for Ethereum. I had told you how to place your orders for Ethereum too. Uh, Now Ethereum is done. Let's see what our favorite ADA is doing. ADA is also on a nice track of downward side. Uh, is that wick cleared? No. Okay, it's on the way to clear this wick. We will clear this because it's again becoming a smooth bottom. So it's a target for bears for now. So let's see how it goes. And that's it for today. I think on hourly chart also you can mark these levels for ADA for retracement and all. Yeah. So this is the region of trapped buyers. Uh, Now I think I should pause the analysis for today, and I hope you all will trade nicely and with brains, using brains, and have a nice trading session in US and crypto. And if you are trading the Indian markets, then be ready for tomorrow. I think gap down is waiting for us, and don't buy options because IV is too high. I would suggest don't trade this week itself so that you can save your capital to some extent. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.